Okay guys, I'm about to show you one of the easiest ways I've ever had to make money online without having a lot of skill sets. This is really surprising to me. So I'm going to try to keep this video very short. I can't take you through all the steps in this one short video. You guys give me feedback on what else you need to know about this, and I can make other videos about that if you like and want to pursue this. But I've been having fun with it, and it's been really profitable and easy so far, so especially for a beginner. So what you're looking at right now is I'm inside of a Discord server for Midjourney. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence app for basically art. And if you don't know anything about Discord, that's going to be your first learning hurdle. You just got to be able to get into a Discord chat server and learn how that functions. If you can do Facebook Messenger and anything else, it's not going to take you very long to figure out a Discord server. There's plenty of YouTube videos on that, but you just got to get in there and play around. So just for an example, and these aren't great images, I wouldn't sell them or try to. I just wanted to show you something. So at $3.49, I just jumped in here and I told the AI to make me a Lamborghini with Italian flag color in the background, hyper realistic, and it printed out these four. Then what I did was I kind of liked number 2 the most. So I upgraded the details in it and asked it to make me some variations of that one. And so it made me some variations of that one. I like number 4, so I upgraded it, asked for variations of it. It made me some variations of it. And you just keep playing with this until you get kind of the photo that you want to work with. So again, none of these are really usable, but you kind of get the idea. I'm not an artist, and we started at $3.49, and here at $3.52, I've got something like this to work with. Now, the learning curve for Midjourney is, these are called prompts. So learning how to write better prompts is really the key to this. And there's all kinds of ways to blend specific style of art together and give it information on what it needs to create for you. And the more you play with that, the better you'll get. It's actually pretty fascinating. There are tons of videos on that as well. I won't waste your time getting into that on this first video. If you want to know more about how to write good prompts, I can do that in a later video. Like I said, just let me know. And so here is an item that I'm actually showing one of my items. Most people don't do that, but I went into Midjourney and I asked for basically a Leonardo da Vinci style painting, oil painting of the Last Supper, but I wanted them eating pizza instead of breaking bread because pizza is my favorite. And I thought this would be a funny and cool picture to have. And so I ended up making this, and I don't mind showing it for a couple reasons. Number one, I've watermarked it. Number 2, you can't recreate the exact same piece in AI in Midjourney. You can put in the exact same prompt as me and it's not going to kick out the exact same photo. Now you can take the idea and you can do something similar, but your pizza is going to look a little different and the guys are going to be looking a little different, so you can't replicate this exactly. But anyhow, so I took this oil painting, I threw it up on Etsy, I connected it to Printful, so Printful automatically prints and ships, handles everything. I'm done. I went into AI Midjourney, I created the photo, I uploaded it in Printful, connected it to my Etsy store, and I'm done. And I have made multiple sales of this item already for the, I don't know if it's because of the Christmas season or because people thought it was great or people just love pizza and Jesus. But either way, I did a ton of not a ton, I did several sales on this already. It's been making money. This is just one of the items that I threw up, and it's also up on multiple platforms, so it's earning me money on different platforms as well. So this is going to be one of the most interesting things and easy ways to make money in 2023. I hope you jump on this bandwagon. What questions do you have? What else do you want to see?